way it's easy to separate.
Yeah.
Like the wagon wheel.
That's actually pretty good.
This is open.
Boiling.
I don't want to get our hands inside here. We'll mold the cheese. Now what you're going to do, you don't want to mold the cheese. So in here, this has already been washed, so I want you to cut it.
Okay.
So, it's hot. You can go across this way. Okay. Oof.
Too hot.
It's hot to touch.
Give
So
it
I
a
can-
minute. There we go.
I took it out of the water so it's not watery in the pan. Oof, it's hot.
Want me to do it?
No, you go finish what you were doing over there. But I need you to cut that spinach because we're going to come over with the spinach in a second. Let's put some more spinach. Oops. Okay.
Smells good.
Smells good, doesn't it? Okay, now guess what I get to do next? We're gonna
Do another layer.
no, move this more. Yeah. So you get everything down here first, and then this helps melt it.
This is gonna get a lot of YouTube views.
You sure with it?
Yes. Because I'm gonna do it and show like how we cook it for Jet.
Okay, let's put a lid. We're gonna take some of the spinach. Let's get Jet some vegetables in his life.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, the spinach kind of collapses, it gets smaller. Then we're going to take some of the mozzarella.
It smells so good.
You know what I forgot? Big time forgot something.
Go.
Okay. There you go.
That spoon.
Okay, you're gonna see how the sauce melts the cheese.
Yum.
This might be thick enough. On. Take the other lasagna out because the other one doesn't have to cook.
Let me take. Getting your neck close for my million years.
Do you think there was fine, so it was cooking it?
Use up all the cherry tomatoes?
My friend Nora, when I said